Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another video, this time to show you the unboxing of the Sanitas pillow that you can use on your back for back pain and all kinds of muscle issues. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. But first, let's take an overall look of the outside of the box. So you can see the image here. They actually sent a little swatch sample here so you can feel the texture. It's very soft. And you have here, this is actually in Portuguese, this one, regenerative heat for the back region and back neck, 6 levels of temperature, security system, and auto shut off after 90 minutes. And you can see more or less how it looks when it's on your back. It looks a little bit ridiculous, to be honest, but what matters is if it works or not. Here on the side of the box, you can see it says very breathable material, extra soft, regenerative heat for the back region and neck region, back neck region, individual regulation thanks to a little belt that they use to fasten. And you also have like a hook fixer on the straps to make it easier to fix. You have 6 levels of temperature, quick heating function, electronic regulation of the temperature thanks to a security system, auto shut off after 90 minutes. It's washable. You can wash this in your washing machine up to 30 degrees Celsius, and the size is 62 by 41 centimeters. Power is 100 watts, and in this case, at least here in Portugal, they give you a 3-year warranty, which is pretty awesome. So let's just open this and see what's inside. So you get all these little leaflets. So there's actually some security leaflets that tell you how to use the device and how to care for it, how to not fold it, and how to fold it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 languages in Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, English, and German, Dutch. And then you have the manual. So you have 2 colors. You have this gray one and you have, I believe, a black one. In this case, they only had the gray one. And this is the manual. You can see the inside of the manual, really basic. Not much to say about this. Just tells you like security issues, how to fasten this, how you connect this to the outlet and whatnot. And as we unfold this, you can see it's very soft material. It feels really comfortable. Yes, it does. This is the plug right here. This is where you plug your charger here. So you would plug this little charger in this little outlet. And this is the fastener to fasten this to your waist. And this one is for your neck. So you have this one in Velcro for your neck. And you can put any length you want. You just hold this like this. So you have different sizes for different neck sizes. And this little belt is also easy to regulate the length. You can just pull this little strap back and forward to make it tighter or looser. And you can see these little perforations. I guess that's to help with the breathability so that it's not completely flat on your back. And it's like that on both sides. The material is the same material on both sides, very soft material. And yes, it does feel really comfortable. So what you would do would be you would put this on your back and then you would strap this to your neck so it doesn't fall down your back. And then you would fasten this to your waist and this will wrap around your back. Pretty simple. And then you have this little charger. So it has a fairly long length cable. I'll actually tell you how long it is really quickly. It's 190 centimeters in length, and this part that connects to the device is 80 centimeters long, so more than enough for you to use this on the couch or in your bed. It's perfect for that. It feels well built. The cords feel sturdy. This is all plastic material. You have a little standby light right here to see if this is on or off. And all you have to do is connect the cable to this little outlet right here. You see there's a little port. You just plug this part in here. You plug the other end into your wall socket and you just have to power it on like this. So you have 6 levels of temperature. You just put it on any one you want, and as soon as you switch this on, you can start, like after 10 seconds, you feel this heating up, so fairly quick to heat up. Now, in terms of the experience, my mother-in-law tried this out, and she really didn't feel like any like sort of improvement, nothing special. She felt that was comfortable and that the heat was actually comforting for her back, but she didn't feel like it made any difference in terms of pain. But that really depends on how severe your back issues are, I guess. Maybe it might work for you, maybe it'll work for some people, maybe it won't work. This does not have any vibrating feature or anything like that. It's just a heat pillow, it just heats up. So if you're looking for something like this, it's a pretty nice option. I'll try and put some links in the description if I can find this for you online, so you can get it for yourselves if you're interested. But this way you can get an overall idea of what's in the box and what the product is like and my opinion on this. Don't forget that this also has a 90-minute feature, so after 90 minutes this will shut off. It's a security feature in case you fall asleep. If you want to put it longer, then you can put it another 90 minutes or shut it off manually. Pretty nice. This is also very easy to fold, so if you want to like take this like on a trip or something, you just fold the cord fairly easily. I would recommend you keep this little fastener to hold the cable all in place. So I would do something like this. Use this fastener like this. You disconnect it from the blanket. So in order to fold this, you would do something, you could actually like roll this, or you could fold it like this, and then maybe like this, and put this in your bag. Maybe put this here in the middle. Get like a little pouch for this, and you can use this for traveling. Never turn this on when it's folded. They say in the instructions not to turn on the device when it's folded. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. And I'd like to thank all of you for watching and all the subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.